We're traveling, something we can't avoid. It's a shame leaving these beauties just died. That's why we're devising two sets of self-watering systems.
You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen.
Kitchen and balcony garden for some fun and learning here in Channel 1. You can drill the bottle cap or make double slit like this. This size. Another option would be to use a glass bottle. Let's roll a kitchen towel, replacing the cork, but it should be loose. It should not fit snugly, but it should allow a space like this. Now let's take a look at the SEEP or SIP systems. We need tubs to hold the water deep enough. Now let's install the drip systems. A bit closer. And let's just invert the bottles, burying the neck, and we should see small bubbles like this rising up, even smaller. Of course, it depends on how long you want to leave your plants. But ideally, the water should gradually drip. See the little bubbles? Ideally, like this. And of course, we can install as many bottles as we need. I have here 3 to support the plants while I'm away.
This is a perfect catcher or basin for water, and we expect it to be used for watering this in our absence, but it's too deep. It will drown the roots, so it's better to transfer it here on the shallower dish. We need this depth to be free from water, so similarly it will seep water from the bottom. And we'll just set this aside, and it will return here once we return.
Fill the basins with water, but this will empty. The ground in the pot will absorb the water. We need to do another filling before we leave.
Just fill it with water, and for the coming weeks the plants will just sip from the bottom without drowning their roots. I hope you have learned something today here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook and share. See you on the next videos.